Now we go to the second question. The second question states that the length of the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is 15. Find the length of the median on the hypotenuse. You see here they have not given any units, they just said 15. So when we write the answer, we can either write only units or write only the number. Now we know the relation between the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle and the length of the median on the hypotenuse. How do we know? By the theorem which states that in a right angle triangle, the length of the median on the hypotenuse is half the length of the hypotenuse. And they have asked the length of the median on the hypotenuse. What is it? It is half the length of the hypotenuse. What is the length of the hypotenuse? It is 15. Therefore, length of the median on the hypotenuse is equal to half into 15 is equal to, now see here, half of 15. So, we know half of 14 is 7. Okay, then 1 is left. 14 plus 1 is 15. So, half of 1 is what? 0.5. So, this becomes 7.5 units. Okay. Now, we will proceed to the third question, which is here itself. It is a similar question. So, see here, we have in triangle PQR, they have given us angle Q equal to 90 degree, PQ is equal to 12, QR equal to 5, and QS is the median. We have to find the length of QS. So we draw the triangle. It is a right angle triangle PQR. Angle Q is 90 degree. So angle Q is 90 degree. They said PQ is 12. So we have marked PQ as 12. They said QR is 5. Okay. QS is the median. So QS is the median. It is dividing PR into two equal parts. We have to find the length of QS. QS is the median. It is half the length of the hypotenuse. So we have to find the length of the hypotenuse. So how do we find? Triangle PQR is a right angled triangle. So according to which theorem we apply here? Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, what do we have? Hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares on the remaining two sides. Okay, hypotenuse is PR. So here we write PR square. The other two sides, one side is PQ, the other side is QR. So here I have PQ square plus QR square. What is PQ? It is 12. So here I have 12 square. What is QR? It is 5. So I have here 5 square. And what is 12 square? It is 144. 12 into 12 is 144. What is 5 square? It is 25. So what will be PR square? By adding both this, it becomes 169. PR square is equal to 169. Therefore, PR will be square root of 169. Now, square root of 169 is nothing but 13. Therefore, PR is equal to 13 units. What is PR actually? It is the hypotenuse. Therefore, length of the hypotenuse is equal to 13 units. Now, look at the question. What are we to find? Length of QS. QS is the median. So again we state the theorem. The theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the length of the median on the hypotenuse is half the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, the length of the median on the hypotenuse, it is standing on the hypotenuse. So the length of the median on the hypotenuse is half the length of the hypotenuse. What was the hypotenuse? 13 units. So length of the median on the hypotenuse is equal to half into 13. Okay, 12. We know half of it is 6 and this is 13. So 1 extra. Half of 1 is 0.5. So this will be 6.5 units. So length of median on the hypotenuse is 6.5 units.